Hello guys. So Sable Echo called me, so gotta press it. Alright, let's go to the tower and see what's happening. So yeah. The fastest way to go in the tower is just go right here into that gate right there. Not here, right here. And you'll see a boat that leads to the tower. I mean, not. Well, to the churchyard, I mean. Not the tower. Churchyard. Alright. I guess I don't know what's gonna happen. Alright, I don't know what's gonna happen here. Maybe they're gonna fight or something. I don't know. But let's go there. It's right through this door.
Tourist, thanks for coming.
Wait, y'all wanna hear this? Look, hear this.
Sorry, I need a moment.
You seem distracted.
Look at the voice.
I can focus now. Sorry.
I'm glad.
Sorry, I need a moment.
You seem distracted.
What is Echo?
I'm ready to listen.
I'm glad you're back.
Tourist, thanks for coming.
What's happening?
Sable came through. Big time. I knew she would. There's a convoy about to leave the tower. Shitload of supplies on trucks. Huge operation. It's our chance to swap ammo for the exiles. I've been talking to a bunch of them ever since you hooked us up. They are aggro as a pack of Rougarous. We get this ammo to them, it's all gonna go down. Fuck yeah! I knew she could do it.
I hope you're right.
I know I am. Sable is special, and the exiles are pissed off. When you got someone to lead the people like her, and the people are out for blood, it's unstoppable. Inevitable. Meet Sable and Barnes on tower grounds. Parking garage, second floor. That's the staging area for the convoy. Stealth is key, so go at night. Sable's gonna snap a lock to an unguarded entrance that will get you past the perimeter and onto tower grounds. Billy Bolt Cutters to the rescue once again.
Hooray for Billy. Not sure what we'd do without him.
People said you had a sense of humor. Kinda have to when everything's this fucked up. JB was a jokester too. Not sure if you're aware of that.
Oh yeah, hilarious. That dude was a laugh a minute.
Right? And goddamn could he paint a picture. That Charlie Boy story of his, I can still hear him spinning it. So, out of chicken wire, Charlie Boy molded a huge head. And he put an old Puccinelli mask
garage in the second
nose
floor,
stretching down to the chin. He painted the whole thing as black as night. With the head on his shoulders, Charlie Boy stood a gangly 7 feet tall, a messenger from the underworld. I miss him. Still don't understand why he disappeared. Enough about the past, though. This here is the future, and you gotta get to making it. Bone chance, tourist.
Alright. Tower at night. Oh, wow. Alright. I'm gonna see you to the next video about going to the tower at night, because I can't wait to do this. So yeah, see you to the next video. See you to the next video. Bye. I'll see you to the next. I'm gonna see you at the tower at night in the next video. Oh my gosh, how many said I? Alright, bye.